My name is Rafał Kołaczek. I maintain locksmith services. I run my company for 18 years. We maintain everything. Primarily, we are engaged in locksmith building services and steel constructions. The first machine I bought 2 years ago from Michał was a CNC plasma cutting machine. It works for me very well. We had been making templates and cut out everything by hand. At the moment we have a CNC, which is significant facilitation because our job is more comfortable now. After the purchase, I realized that Michał's company offer includes a press brake and a shearing machine. Spontaneously, I bought both machines from him, because I know he's a reliable person and runs an excellent company. I ordered the machines, and we completed the order in 3 months. Now the machines have been installed, and we are already starting to work on them. In the past, I had a lot of subcontractors and other companies to pass some tasks to. For example, various bands. Unfortunately, it is expensive. I prefer to buy the machine so that the money stays in my own company. So far, we have had these machines for 4 months. They do well, and I have no complaints. Indeed, the quality of this machine is reasonable concerning price, and they will undoubtedly serve our company for many years. I've been working with this machine for about 3 months. It works very well and satisfies our requirements. We have spotted no problems with the service. We call the service technician Piotr, who advises us when something is unclear and on how to deal with it. He visits us if needed and helps us in person. Then the machine works fine again without any complications. Everything is done up to 2 or 3 days and it all goes on. During the bending of workpieces, when I had some questions, I called the service technician and immediately received a telephone answer. There are more machines included in their offer, and I hope that this cooperation will remain unchanged.